Welcome to 1320 Brook Street, apartment number J, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. We just walked in the front door, and this is the living room. That's a nice wood-burning fireplace and a nice spot to sit outside after work or on the weekend. As we go back towards the entrance, I want to show you the full-size washer-dryer. And a spot to hang everything. That's the coat closet. And now we're going into the dining kitchen area. Lots of room for a good sized table. Dishwasher, fridge, stove, and microwave. And the door at the end is to the pantry. And let's continue down the side here. The first door on the right is the first of 2 bathrooms. Tub and shower. On the left is the linen closet, and this is the second bedroom. Good size, queen size bed, dressers, chair, desk. Closet is bigger than it actually looks. We have central heat and central air. And this is the principal bedroom. Bring your king size bed. The 2 doors at the end, the first one is the walk-in closet. And here we have your own private bath with shower. So that's 1320 Brook Street, not far from Randall and Main Streets. Very convenient location, lots of restaurants, including one of my favorites, Oberweis for milkshakes, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person, and feel free to visit the website 1350brook.com. Thanks. We look forward to meeting you.